Hey, this is Mel with We Can Code It, and I am going to introduce you to Minecraft. Now, this tutorial is for absolute beginners. You have never played Minecraft before, you haven't purchased it, or you haven't downloaded it and installed it on your PC or Mac. So let me go ahead and take you from the beginning. If this sounds like you, this is your tutorial. So first things first, let's go ahead and log into Minecraft.net. Do this by navigating to Minecraft.net in your web browser. I'm using Google Chrome. I highly recommend it. So you will see a screen like this, and you will see a orange button saying Get Minecraft. Go ahead and click that. Now I have logged in, and it has a cookie for me on this site, so it knows that I already have Minecraft, and I can verify this by clicking the tab that says for this account, and then it tells me I already have Minecraft on this account. However, if you do not have it, if you are not registered, go ahead and register for a Mojang account with your email address, create a password, it will ask you for your birth date, and then continue from there. The purchase right now costs, let's see, what, 26 bucks? 26.95. Okay. So you will want to purchase the game if you're going to do anything with redstone in it. I'm going to go ahead and log in. This is what it looks like. You can always log in and reinstall Minecraft if you have an account. So I'm going to do that right now. And I will be taken back to the home page, but this time I'll see a download button. I'm going to go ahead and click this. It'll take me to another page, and it will give me instructions here. Since it's primarily used on Windows machines, that's the one they show you automatically. You can download and run the Minecraft MSI. That's what I recommend. That'll just walk you through the installation. Or you can download the exe file. If you know what that is, you might want to do it. If you don't, just download and run the Minecraft.msi. If you're using a Mac or Linux, go ahead and click Show All Platforms, and you can download the DMG for Macs and the jar file for Linux. So let's go ahead and click Minecraft.msi, and it'll download quickly. After it downloads, what you're going to do is click it. From your downloads, it's going to go through the setup wizard. Let's say I'm repairing, you're going to install it straight. It's going to look something like this, and at the end it's going to say finish, and we'll ask you if you want to launch. So I'm just going to click finish, and then I'm going to go ahead and have Minecraft launch. So when you first launch Minecraft, it looks like this. It downloads the runtime for you. Takes it just a few moments. So let's sit through it for a couple seconds. And then it sets up the runtime environment. It's just getting everything prepared for you. And then we'll see a screen that says Minecraft Launcher. You'll see the version number you're running up here too. Go ahead and click the play button down towards the bottom of the launcher, and this will start the game. So you can go into full screen mode here, which I'm going to do. Alright, what I want you to do, if this is your first time, please choose single player. Go ahead, click it. Now you see I have lots of worlds here, but you probably don't have any. So I want you to go down to the bottom. You'll see Create New World. It's a button. Go ahead and left click that. And let's name our new world. Let's hit the backspace button there in that input box and name it Minecraft Amusement Park. Okay, and I'm going to be referring to the name of our world as Minecraft Amusement Park during future webcasts and videos. So let's just all name it the same thing. It makes our lives easier. Next, a very important thing, especially if you're a newbie, I want you to click Game Mode Survival. Just click that button a couple times, 2 times. Get to Game Mode Creative. This will allow you to have unlimited resources, free flying, and destroy blocks instantly. Basically, it makes Minecraft a lot easier to get started in. You don't have to battle monsters and the like and respawn, do all this other stuff that you would have to do if you were in survival mode. So let's go ahead and at the bottom left, click Create New World. Now, Minecraft, when it launches for the first time, when you create a new world, it builds the terrain. It's pretty random. You never know where you're going to end up. So you'll have a surprise. You could be, oh, look, I'm right near water. This is pretty cool. Let's see what else is around me. I'm simply using my mouse and moving it left and right and up and down to sort of check out the terrain. All right, so this is some sand, some grass. I'm going to walk around now, and I hope that you do the same. Explore your world a little bit before doing anything. Now, this is where the keyboard comes in handy. You're going to use W to move forward, S to move back, A to move left, and D to move right. So think of those as your arrow keys. And you'll use these in conjunction with a mouse. So you'll point your mouse in the direction you want to move forward and click W. Now, we're at a bit of a predicament here. I need to move up. I need to jump up. So to jump, press your space bar. You'll notice if I just press my space bar, and if you just press yours, you'll just move up and down. You won't move forward. You have to do it in the combination of holding W and your space bar down at the same time. I have some sunflowers here. Let's see what else I have. Different materials. And I want to find a nice flat spot so I can start building. What if you don't have a flat spot in your world? Well, the first thing I want to show you how to do is destroy some blocks, okay? So you're going to create a flat spot if you don't have them. You may notice that cubes are being outlined for me like a border, right? A border with a transparent center. That means I can interact with that block. Okay, now I'm going to make sure there's a border around this sand block that I want to destroy, and I'm going to left click on it. That destroys the block. Let's move it over to this block. You'll notice the cursor in the middle, that crosshair, that helps you guide you where your block is that you're going to destroy or build. So I'm going to keep left clicking. Left will destroy. Let's destroy this grass.